Good morning, friends. Sometimes in spring we see ducks. So today you're going to listen to the story Little Ducks Go by Emily McCully. Little ducks go. Look out, little ducks. Little ducks go. They go down. Mother looks down. Quack, she says. Little ducks look up. Cheep, cheep, they say. Little ducks go. Mother runs. Mother looks down. Quack! Little ducks look up. Cheep, cheep. Little ducks go. Mother runs. Cars come. Look out! She is safe. Mother runs. Little ducks go. Cheep, cheep. Little ducks stop. Mother stops too. She wants help, but the man goes away. Mother looks down. Quack, she says. Cheep, cheep, she hears. She sits. The man comes back. Little ducks get into the net. They are safe. Little ducks go home. Cheep, 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 cheep. Quack. The end. And the little ducks got to be back with their mother.